All right, everyone, it's time to make our very first Python program. I hope you're excited. Let's start here by going to our File Explorer. We're going to make a new folder so we can have this in its own separate place. And we'll just give it the name of our episode. So this is episode 3 technically, and we'll call it Hello World. If you're following along, coding alongside me, you don't have to order it like this. You can order it however you want to. It doesn't matter at all. This is just so that whenever I make the source code available to you, on GitHub, you can have it structured in a nice way that's understandable. So if you want to, you can create the file directly in the root, or you can put it into a folder, okay? Anyway, so now once you're ready to make your first Python script, you can right click where you want it, to new file. In terms of naming it, you can call it whatever you want as long as it ends with .py. That makes it a Python file. So you can do, for example, hello world.py. You can call it, hello world, just one word. You can call it peanut. You can call it Billy Bob. You can call it whatever you want. There are some conventions though. Usually you want to do all lowercase for naming the file. And then also, if the file name has multiple words within it, you can separate them by underscores. So that's called snake case. So instead of hello world, it's more readable if you do hello underscore world. So you can see that's two different words, all right? So that's how you can make a Python file, and this automatically opens up here in your editor. Now we're going to type our very first Python code. And so in the world of programming, the tradition is to make your very first program when you're learning a language for the first time, just print a message that says hello world. So we're going to do that. So the first little command we're going to learn about is called print. So type print. You can also, while you're typing it, press tab to autocomplete. Then you're going to do a parentheses, and it's automatically going to put a closing parentheses. And within this, you do quotes, double quotes, or single quotes can work. And what you want to do is just write your message that you want to print out. So we're going to simply say hello world, like that. You can literally make it whatever you want. So type whatever you want, but hello world is the tradition. So hello world. And now when you're ready to run it, you can run it really easily by clicking the play button here, run Python file. And that's going to automatically run the file, and then here's the output. So ignore all this up here. This is just it trying to run the file, and here's the actual output, hello world. So if you're able to see this, you have successfully ran your very first Python program. Great. So play around with it, see what else you can print out. So we can say, what's up, my name is Cody. We can even add more prints. So I really like beans. You can do emojis too if you want to. You can put whatever you want. And so let's run it again, see what happens. Here we go. So what's up? My name is Cody. I really like beans. And then we have our emojis. Very cool. So you could copy this and paste it over and over and over. Yeah, you can do whatever you want. It's pretty cool. So that is it for this episode. Now you guys know how to create a Python file. You just end it with .py and use snakecase for the naming. That's the naming convention. Then we learned how to use the print function. It's called a function to print out messages to our console when we run the program. And then finally, I showed you guys how to run the program by clicking the play button at the top. Stay tuned to learn more. Hopefully you guys are excited. Peace.